Okay, so here we are at the Everything Electric show. Now this is going to be a bit of an experiment because I'm going to do a 360 video and hopefully put it up. So here we go. Turn that around and in we go. So 360 video is supposedly compatible with YouTube, so you can stop and have a swizzle any time. We've got origin power on the left, and behind them another off-grid and talk area. Here, no, this is Drive Electric. Behind them, James Electric, who are doing electric conversions on big trucks. This is Skyworth from Skywell, and they've got some SUVs and Skywell truck. On the left is Farizon, who are doing electric trucks.
Yeah, which is pretty easy.
And we've got EVSE on the right, and looks like Commonwealth Bank financing on the left. Over in the far right, Segway, we've got their scooters and their stand-on scooters and ride-on scooters. And through the back there's some others. Can't see exactly what. This is Amp-Charge on the left. And Energy, something on the right. Taking a walk through. Some charging on the left and some cars sitting there. Regular from the left. Doing vehicle to grid charging, so reverse charging. So over there on the right you see Ricky Roy and Elliot Richards. Richards from America and Elliot's from China. Having a discussion about something over there. Now this is an interesting thing on the left. We have got solar carport and EV charging station. And through there there's EVA. On the right we've got Smappy charging at home. We're coming up to AGL, which is a company on the left. A few smaller stalls on the right. As we get through here, we've got Australian EVS who do EV conversions, and they've got a very nice car here, a Land Cruiser, 4-wheel drive, that will go push. And on the left we've got the Giga Theatre, which has talks very frequently. Through there's the Driven. Here.
How you doing?
Good, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Evernex, the charging, and on the left we're coming up to the Polestar. So we've got, I think, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. The Polestar 4's in the front, 3's in the middle. On the right we have got some electric bikes coming up to Savic motorcycles. They look really quite cute, honestly. There's electric boats through to the left. EVX powering, it's charging a BYD Dolphin, well worth of it. Right, and then we're coming up to more car companies. Yeah, we've got here. I've taken the EV9 for a test drive. They've got the EV3. Sorry, I took the EV5 for a test drive here, EV9 last year. Some scooters on the left. Then we're coming down, we've got Audi on the left. There's Leap Motor through there and GWM. So there's the Audi. Wave, you're on camera.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, now here is Cadillac. They've got the Lyric and the Epic. I think that's the right name for it. And on the left here, Skoda.
1000 XS.
Now this is a new one to Australia, Zika X. I'll be test driving that. And the 7X is coming Q4. VW on the left, there's the ID Buzz. I'm going to be taking that for a test drive. And then coming up, there's the MG stand. Hey, look, they've got the MG4, and then they've got the MG Cyberstar. And we've got BYD on the left. And there's the Shark. Then my car are the people that will service some of these EVs that are around. Now we're coming up on the left here to Deepal. Now Deepal, quite a new one. They've got a couple of cars that are coming through. One's already released, I believe. Now on the right you've got the new Tesla Model Y and the Tesla stand with the robot. And here we've got Xiaopeng or Xpeng, G6, and of course they've got the flying car, which we can't test drive. And then we've got Ford on the right, car sales over there on the left, My Energy and Zappi, and that is the test drive area at the back there. So I've been up there quite a bit. So, there you have it. Just have a walk through. Now you can stop the video, I believe, and use your mouse or cursor keys to have a look left and right. So let's